Shanghai Pintech specializes in metal surface strengthening and anti-fatigue solutions. As a shot peening machine manufacturer, we maintain in-house sheet metal production and sales, ensuring full process control without outsourcing. Our team masters shot peening technology and in-house design-to-assembly control. This ensures high-quality, cost-effective equipment, each unit reliable and fully tested. We integrate sheet metal production with equipment assembly, ensuring quick customization and quality built in from design. Every process embodies craftsmanship. Hardcore engineering creates reliable products.